What happens when every decision in your life is made by artificial intelligence? From your morning alarm to the food you eat, the clothes you wear, the routes you travel, and even the conversations you have. Imagine handing it all over to AI today. I'm taking on a challenge, living for 24 hours with only AI, making my choices. No human input, no manual overrides, just algorithms, sensors, and machine learning. This isn't just a thought experiment. This is where the future might be heading. So come along with me as I test whether I can truly survive and thrive in 1. Waking up in a smart home. The day starts, not with a shrill alarm, but with my AI-powered smart home gently bringing me to consciousness. The curtains slowly open to let in the sunrise, the lights softly glow to match my circadian rhythm, and an AI-generated playlist begins to play based on my recent moods. My sleep tracker, connected to my wearable health monitor, has already sent data to the AI assistant, which optimized my wake-up time to ensure maximum restfulness. Today, it decided I should wake up at 6:43 a.m., not 6:30. Not 7 o'clock, because it detected I was in a light sleep phase. I step into the bathroom. My AI mirror lights up and greets me. Good morning. Your heart rate variability suggests mild stress. Recommend deep breathing for 3 minutes. Would you like to begin? The mirror also recommends an outfit for the day based on the weather, my calendar, and even recent social trends. It's unsettlingly accurate. I haven't made a single decision yet, and I already feel both relaxed and a bit powerless. 2. Breakfast by bots. As I enter the kitchen, my smart fridge has already scanned my dietary preferences, sleep quality, and upcoming schedule. It recommends a high-protein breakfast to keep me energized for a busy morning. A robotic kitchen arm synced with my fridge and nutrition app begins preparing scrambled eggs, avocado toast, and a smoothie enriched with supplements tailored to my current health data. There's no debate about what to eat, no scrolling through options. It just happens. As I eat, my AI assistant reads me a curated news brief, not just based on my interests, but also on my emotional response to past stories. The AI avoids content that might trigger stress or anxiety and emphasizes optimistic headlines. It's thoughtful, but maybe too cute. Is this personalization or a form of invisible censorship? 3. Transportation reimagined at 8 a.m. It's time to head to my co-working space. My AI mobility planner has already arranged a self-driving car. It's chosen the most efficient route, factoring in traffic, air quality, and even road safety data. I simply step in, and the car's interior adjusts to my preferences. Ambient lighting, ergonomic seat position, and noise-canceling music. During the ride, the car suggests I use the time for a 15-minute meditation session. I nod, and the windshield turns into a soft focus screen with guided visuals and sounds. The AI says this will enhance my focus for the workday. It's peaceful, efficient, but again, I haven't made a single real choice. 4. Work, AI style. Once at work, I boot up my AI-enhanced workstation. It's already filtered my email, sorted priorities, and created a to-do list that balances high-focus tasks with lighter activities. It's also booked short breaks, optimized for productivity using data from IG sensors in my wearable headband. I open a video call. The AI assistant automatically summarizes key talking points and highlights any emotional cues from my coworkers' facial expressions, nudging me with subtle prompts like, "Your colleague seems uncertain. Clarify your point." It's like having a virtual coach whispering in your ear, helpful but borderline intrusive. One eerie moment, I received a prompt that said, "You seem frustrated. Would you like to take a mental wellness break?" And it was right, but I hadn't said a word. 5. AI in healthcare and fitness. Lunchtime rolls around, and my AI dietitian recommends a low glycemic meal to counteract mid-afternoon fatigue. The co-working kitchen, also AI-enabled, prepares it automatically. After lunch, it's time for a fitness session, and the AI has scheduled a 30-minute yoga class based on my current posture, detected by smart furniture and stress markers. My virtual yoga coach uses computer vision to correct my poses in real time. But here's where things get really weird. I get a notification saying, "Based on your heart rhythm and vocal tone, we recommend a light cardio session instead. Risk of burnout is 17% higher today." What's unsettling is how precise it is. Yet, there's also a growing realization. I'm not in control. I'm being managed like a machine being optimized. 6. Entertainment and social life. After work, I sit down to relax. But even my entertainment is instead, it selects a short sci-fi drama based on my current brainwave activity, facial expression, and past viewing trends. My AI social bot even sends messages to friends, suggesting meetups or chats that align with our mutual availability and emotional states. Today, it auto-replied to a friend, "Let's catch up Thursday evening. You seem like you've had a rough week, want to vent over a game." It's thoughtful, but also mechanical. Human interaction filtered through the lens of machine learning loses spontaneity. There's no surprise, no randomness, just optimization. 7. Night routine and AI therapy. Dinner is cooked by a robot chef that uses data from my day to adjust nutrient intake. My AI therapist checks in via a holographic call, asking me to describe how I felt throughout the day. It transcribes my responses, analyzes tone and sentiment, and then recommends meditation exercises tailored to my emotional state. Before bed, I undergo a full health diagnostic. My wearable scans blood pressure, skin temperature, and breathing. It suggests I hydrate more and sets my water reminder for tomorrow morning. The lighting shifts to a warm hue, white noise kicks in, and the AI adjusts room temperature for optimal REM sleep. I drift off, knowing that every part of my day has been influenced or controlled by AI. 8. Reflection. Can we live like this? So, after 24 hours of full AI integration, can I survive the future? The answer is yes, but with serious caveats. Let's talk about the good first. Convenience. AI made my day seamless. Everything was optimized, efficient, and stress-free. Health benefits. My body and mind were supported. Continuously personalized diets, workouts, and mental health nudges. Productivity. My output increased. Less decision fatigue. Fewer distractions. Now the downsides. Loss of autonomy. I didn't make a single unfiltered choice. Even my thoughts felt guided. Privacy concerns. My home, car, and body were constantly being monitored. Who owns this data? Who protects it? Emotional void. Conversations, choices, and entertainment lacked spontaneity. There's a coldness to AI interactions that no amount of personalization can overcome. The day felt like I was living in a perfectly tuned machine, but not fully living. And that's the issue. Humans thrive not just on comfort, but on challenge, unpredictability, and emotion. AI, no matter how advanced, still struggles with those intangible human elements. 9. Bigger questions. This experiment raises important questions for all of us. Where do we draw the line between convenience and control? Are we ready to outsource critical thinking and decision-making to machines? What happens when AI gets it wrong, when it misreads your emotions or miscalculates your needs? In healthcare, for instance, AI can diagnose faster and with more accuracy, but one misdiagnosis could be fatal. In security, AI can spot cyber threats before they happen, but what if the AI itself gets hacked? And socially, if we let AI choose our friends, our messages, and even our relationships, do we lose something fundamentally human? AI isn't evil. It's not here to take over, but it is evolving fast, and we're giving it more control with each new smart device we install. We have to be aware of how much power we're re-handing over and make sure we re-still the ones holding the reins. So, can I live with AI running my entire life? Yes. Would I want to live that way every day? Not entirely. The sweet spot is balance. AI should be a powerful tool, not a replacement for human judgment, creativity, and emotion. If you made it to the end, I want to hear from you. Could you live in a world where AI makes all your decisions? Would you trust an AI doctor? Would you be okay letting an algorithm choose your meals, your mood, your media? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. And check out my other videos where I explore how AI is changing everything from transportation and education to jobs and creativity. Because the future isn't just coming, it's already here. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TikTok.